Nestled within every discarded screen and broken wire lies a story of progress, consumption, and change. This is the story of how art transforms forgotten technology into something powerful, a message that speaks to the heart of sustainability. Welcome to the role of art in raising awareness about e-waste. Electronic waste, or e-waste, is one of the fastest growing challenges on our planet. Phones, laptops, and televisions are replaced faster than ever before, leaving mountains of discarded devices behind. While statistics can tell us the scale of the problem, art shows us the soul of it. Across the world, artists are repurposing these obsolete devices into works that challenge, inspire, and provoke reflection. Through creativity, they turn data into emotion and awareness into action. Most people never see what happens to their electronics once they're thrown away. They vanish from our homes, but not from our planet. Many end up in landfills, others are shipped overseas for unsafe dismantling, polluting communities far away. Through art, the invisible becomes visible. Artists collect real e-waste, shattered screens, tangled wires, broken keyboards, and turn them into large-scale installations that confront the viewer with the reality of technological waste. In collaboration with licensed recyclers, they ensure that the materials they use are responsibly sourced, allowing creativity and environmental ethics to work hand in hand. Art has the unique ability to tell stories that words cannot. Every sculpture, mural, and installation built from discarded electronics carries a deeper message. It reminds us of our collective obsession with the new and our tendency to forget the old. Artists use this irony to their advantage. High-tech components are rearranged into deeply human forms, showing both the beauty and burden of progress. A portrait made from old circuit boards speaks of identity in the digital age. A landscape sculpted from obsolete phones echoes the scars of our consumption. Through these works, the story of e-waste becomes not just visual, but deeply personal. Numbers and reports can raise awareness, but emotion inspires change. A sculpture built entirely from old cell phones can spark memories of every device we've ever owned. A haunting photograph of e-waste workers surrounded by toxic debris can stir empathy where data could not. Art connects us to the issue in a human way, evoking surprise, guilt, nostalgia, and even hope. By transforming waste into wonder, these artists invite us to care, to question, and to act. The emotions they ignite become the bridge between awareness and responsibility. Beyond galleries and museums, e-waste art has found a place in parks, schools, and city squares. These exhibits are more than displays, they're invitations to talk. They encourage people from all walks of life to discuss our shared impact on the environment. Interactive projects go even further, allowing participants to contribute their own discarded devices to an artwork, symbolizing shared accountability. With support from licensed recyclers, artists ensure that these experiences are not only inspiring, but also safe and sustainable. Through conversation and participation, awareness spreads, from the exhibit floor to everyday life. Many of these projects extend far beyond the art itself. They become classrooms, places of learning, reflection, and empowerment. Artists collaborate with educators, recycling programs, and community leaders to teach responsible disposal and creative reuse. Workshops show how e-waste can be safely dismantled and transformed into new functional objects. Children and adults alike learn that what we call trash can become a canvas for innovation. Licensed recyclers play a vital role here, providing safe materials, real-world insight, and guidance for responsible recycling practices. Together, they turn education into inspiration. The fusion of art and activism is changing how the world sees waste. What was once invisible now demands attention. These artists are more than creators. They are environmental storytellers, shaping culture as much as consciousness. Their exhibits travel across nations, sparking dialogue, influencing policy, and empowering communities to think differently about consumption. Through creativity and compassion, they remind us that solutions begin not with what we throw away, but with what we imagine next. Art doesn't just show us the problem, it gives us hope for the solution. To learn more about responsible e-waste recycling or to connect with experts committed to sustainability, reach out to Computer Recycling Inc. When art turns waste into awareness, it transforms what we discard into what inspires change.